In today's show, renowned economist and crypto analyst Alex Kruger shares that the Bitcoin price staying under $1,000 could kill the coin. He took this to crypto Twitter, saying governments could stop Bitcoin pretty simple. How? Just short it, keep it under $1,000 for a long while, watch while most people lose interest permanently, and no need to bother with 51% attacks. This was in response to Rhythm's tweet. And then he went on to say, no need to panic. Government's more interested in regulating and taxing than destroying or banning. Whew. Thank God, right? In other crypto news today, we'll be discussing Bitcoin entering a new bullish cycle in March of 2020, according to popular crypto analysts. Also in today's show, we're going to be taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency market. Yesterday was a very bloody day in the market, but we're finally back in the green. So we'll be doing a Bitcoin price action and so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every day, so be sure to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And to help celebrate the launch of our podcast, our sponsor, CMDX, the fastest growing health rewards cryptocurrency in the world, is giving away $25 worth of CMDX tokens absolutely free. For full details, click that link right below the video in the description. And just in case you missed TIWARI's most recent live event where he shares a trading system so accurate he took money out of crypto to commit to this, it combines rocket science with the 100x speed trading algorithm to guarantee you a shot to see $12,000 a month with the 12-second move. If you want to catch that replay, click the link right below this video in the description. All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV, and let's dive right into today's top story. The famous trader and economist Alex Kruger expressed on Twitter his thoughts on how Bitcoin could be eliminated for good. Tech specialists are investing a lot of cash to control more than half of the crypto network, but Kruger thinks this process could be completely halted and that a government would be able to kill Bitcoin just by keeping its price at under $1,000. As I shared with you in the intro, just short it, keep it under $1,000 for a long while, watch while most people lose interest permanently, no need to bother with 51% attacks. Now let's check out some of the replies to that tweet. He added, how much could that cost? That's something I'd like to know, a matter of running some estimates. The main impediment would likely be legal, not budgetary. And then he added to that, no need to panic. The government's more interested in regulating and taxing than destroying or banning. And he added to that, I don't think the US government has any interest in stopping Bitcoin. They just want to regulate it. If they wanted to crush it and legally could, then they would. And the intolerant minority would remain. But the masses wouldn't likely come back for decades, priced in the doldrums. Alex Kruger also added how to do so. Number 1, government shorts futures. Futures move lower than spot. Number 2, arbitrager longs future, borrow spot, short spot, bring spot down, more in line with futures. And number 3, on expiry, arbitrager rolls over futures, earns roll yield minus borrowing costs. Well, there you have it. That's how you can potentially kill Bitcoin. What's the likelihood of that happening? Very, very small, I would say. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments right down below. He also added the more scarce spot becomes, borrowing rates increase, wider future spot basis, more backwarded curve. There's always someone from whom to borrow at the right price. When there is demand, there is supply. And here's the caveat from Alex Kruger. He did say, as I've said, the odds of this happening are close to 0. This is a mental exercise. It's possible to do this. One could model how big of a budget price suppression for T amount of time beyond level X may be. So do keep that in mind. Don't panic, right? Whatever you do, don't panic. And checking out some of the replies to Alex Kruger, EB wrote, can you imagine this at scale though? And what if another country caught on and started buying it all up on the cheap? Then the country shorting it would be caught basically printing money into another country's pockets. It would end horribly in my view for whoever would attempt. Alex Kruger responded, I don't think this will ever happen. I just pointed how it's possible because it really is. Andy responded, this doesn't even make sense. Who's gonna lend the governments that much Bitcoin? Moreover, the act of going short alone isn't actually going to move the value beneath $1,000 unless it creates an absolute panic. Alex Kruger responded, futures, yes it would, hypothetically, would be a matter of budget and legality and desire to act. act. Rivos responded, no need, LOL, just prevent Bitcoin exit to cash, stop all Visa cards which make you use Bitcoin, and let them stuck in Bitcoin forever and can't spend it. And of course, the very few vendors which accept Bitcoin as payment will stop using it. Easy as Bitcoin will crash to 1K and below. Ferras responded, yes, with financial surveillance, inflation, artificial interest rates, deficit spending, fractional reserve banking, and capital controls, people are definitely going to lose interest in Bitcoin. And Rhythm responded, you're not wrong here. This was going to be my question as well. And Rick Giles wrote, they can't short my Bitcoin. I don't loan it out. We need more hodlers, protect against this attack vector, buy all the shorted shares, and eventually the price rises. Does it not? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Do you think it's possible for Bitcoin to ever go below the $1,000 price mark? And if so, do you think the government has the power to do this? I'd love to know your thoughts. A CoinShares research from July noted how Bitcoin had a 2019 rally from $3,000 to $13,880, which was the opposite of the bull run from 2017. What supported this year's ascension was institutional money. The fact that the big players have entered the game has also been encouraging. Still, the main investors in Bitcoin are retailers. Crypto Fund Research has revealed there's around 804 crypto funds accounting for $18.16 billion in the cryptocurrency market capital. At this time, the total crypto market cap is $222 billion with $71 billion in volume in the past 24 hours, and the current Bitcoin dominance is 65.8%. And taking a look at the top cryptocurrencies, we can see most of the market is back in the green after a very bearish day in the market yesterday. Bitcoin is currently being traded at $8,074. This $8,000 support is critical. If we break below this, we can see Bitcoin go in the low 7,000s, possibly even the $6,000 to $7,000 range. Ethereum is currently up 0.79% in the past 24 hours, trading at $175. XRP is up 2.3%, struggling to stay above 25 cents. Miss Litecoin is up 0.7%, trading at $55 even for the day. BNB is practically even, up 0.1%, trading at $18.46. We have, what else here? Bitcoin Satoshi Vision down 0.8%, trading at $106. Link is in the deep forest green, up 6.21%, trading at $2.79. And Maker is down 5%, trading at $575. Well, that's enough bearish news. Now let's get into Bitcoin entering a new bullish cycle in March of 2020. Analyst confirms. The bears appear to be firmly in control at the moment at China's clampdown on crypto spurs further sell-offs, just as Xi Jinping's endorsement for blockchain technology unwittingly caused the buying frenzy. The speed with the Chinese president is scrambling to correct that is having the reverse effect. Binance and Tron were kicked off of Weibo last week, and the authorities are calling for a cleanup of the cryptocurrency companies. Local government agencies, according to Bloomberg, have been ordered to seize all dealings with crypto companies as well. It's not all doom and gloom, though, at least not for the coming year, according to blockchain analyst Scoo Analytics. Scoo reminds us of the dismal November of 2018, in which the market saw a 50% sell-off, and predicts a bearish end to this November as well, followed by a neutral year-end. Bitcoin will be bullish long-term, though, entering a new cycle from March 2020. Let's take a look at his tweet. Option Scoo Analysis tells us market is bearish short-term, end of November, neutral medium-term, end of December, and bullish long-term, March 2019 and beyond. Crypto assets dealer SFox released its monthly crypto volatility report last Friday. In it, they confirm a bullish outlook for Bitcoin, but they do believe the upward trend is coming sooner. The SFox multi-factor market index has shifted from neutral to mildly bullish for the rest of the month. Among the reasons behind the optimism are new regulatory clarity in Hong Kong, Bitcoin mining IPOs in the US, and a plethora of institutional investment products pointing to the development in the space ramping up. They conclude, whale movements and increased futures trading have set the tone for the months that have historically had the most volatile crypto movements. And checking out the BitMEX margins, we can see the bears are in control, leading the way with 14 million in superiority in the past 24 hours, with shorts leading the way with 50.65% versus 49.35% longs. Are you bullish or bearish on Bitcoin right now? And also let me know for the long haul, are you bullish or bearish on Bitcoin? Don't even ask me. You should. should already know, I am bullish for the long haul. I believe 2020 is going to be the year of Bitcoin. And taking a look at the top gainers in the past 24 hours, we have MMO coin up 17%, currently trading at $1.37. Augur up 17% as well, trading at $12.15. Synthetics Network up 16%, trading at $1.21. Seal up 11%, trading at 13.4 cents. Engine Coin up 10%, trading at 6.7 cents. And 0x up 10%, trading at just above 27 cents. And now for the biggest losers in the past 24 hours, Bitcoin is leading the pack, down 7.9%, trading at 0.0003. VeChain down 7.8%, trading at 0.006. Maker down 5.8%, trading at $587. iExec RLC down 5.4%, trading at 69 cents. And Crypto.com coin down 3.99%, trading at 3.2 cents. And taking a look at the crypto greed and fear index, we're currently at a 32 right now in fear. Yesterday was also a 32 in fear. Last week was a 41 in fear. And last month was a 20 with extreme fear. And if you're not familiar with the crypto greed and fear index, extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. This could be a buying opportunity. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this Bitcoin rocket ship heading straight to the moon. If you haven't done so already, make sure to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And before I go, if you haven't done so already, you can still check out the replay for a limited time with TIWARI sharing a trading system so accurate, he took money out of crypto to commit to this. It combines rocket science with a 100x speed trading algorithm to guarantee you a shot to see $12,000 a month with a 12-second move. For more details, click that link right below this video in the description, and I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.